Safety.
Hello everyone, welcome to the countries of the world. Today we are going to learn about another intriguing country that starts with the letter R. R for Russia. Language. In Russia, people speak Russian. It's a fascinating language with a special alphabet called Cyrillic. Instead of the letters we use, they have characters like this and this. Religion. Most people in Russia follow the Orthodox Christian religion. You can find beautiful churches all over Russia with colorful domes called onion domes that look like something from a fairy tale. Flag. The flag of Russia has three colors: white, blue, and red. Each stripe stands for something special. White is for peace, blue is for faith, and red is for strength. Culture. Russia has a rich culture of music, dance, and stories. One famous dance is the ballet, and Russia is known for having some of the best ballet dancers in the world. They also have wonderful stories like Matryoshka dolls, where one doll fits inside another, and it's a fun surprise to open them all up. Food. Russian food is hearty and delicious. Some favorite dishes are borscht, a bright red soup made from beets, blini, thin pancakes, and pelmeni, dumplings. They even have a drink called kvass, which is made from fermented bread. Monument. One of the most famous landmarks in Russia is St. Basil's Cathedral in Moscow. Its colorful domes look like giant ice cream cones, and it's one of the most photographed places in Russia. Fun fact. Did you know that Russia is the largest country in the world? It's so big that it stretches across 11 time zones. That means when it's morning in one part of Russia, it could already be nighttime in another part. Wildlife. Russia has some amazing animals like the Siberian tiger, one of the biggest and most powerful wildcats in the world. They also have reindeer in the snowy north and bears that roam the forest. Sports. Russia loves winter sports, especially ice hockey, figure skating, and skiing. They often do really well in the Winter Olympics. That was a quick look at Russia. Thanks for watching, and come back for another video. Until then, bye.